Hey there, I just wanted to record this video super quick only because we are at a 100% ROE. I don't know what the E is, but anyway, here it is. We have got a Bitcoin coin margin futures trade on. It started on the 1st of May and 0.15 Bitcoin went into it. That was approximately $9,000 odd, probably worth more because of the price at the time. And as of just now, you can see that the ROE is 100%, which means that there's been a 20% move. It's a short, and it's been a 20% move down at a 5x leverage, which means we've hit 100%. Now, the money value is not exactly double because obviously the price that started was higher. Okay, so let's just have a look at the chart here. I'll squeeze this down to the date. Right, so it's actually got the start date there. So it was purchased there. And as you can see, the price went up. So it was pretty scary seeing it going to the negative. But we had a bigger picture view. And Nat is definitely more interested in the much longer term swing trade, but it's not even that long. It's a month. You know, it was the 1st of May and I'm recording this now on the 3rd of June. So a month and a couple of days, and look at this drop, basically doubling, you know, in round figures. There's quite a few fees involved in doing a coin futures because it was so far out. The contract is out to December. Which means we have to close this trade before the end of December, but I'm pretty sure that the bottom's going to be in before that. That's a whole other conversation. But anyway, I just wanted to record that because we're here, we're live, we actually have hit, well, now 101%. There you go. And if you want to learn how to do this, then leave a comment and, you know, let us know if you want more videos to show you how to actually double the amount of coin. This is not about the price, this is about the amount of coin. So we have almost doubled it in the actual amount of coin because there are fees involved, but at the end of the day, our goal is to get back to first half a Bitcoin and then eventually 1 Bitcoin. And having seen this now, it feels like it's going to happen probably before the end of the year, which is really exciting. So let us know in the comments if you want more how-tos on how we've done that. Thanks for watching.